Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:25 in Honolulu and 5:25 in New York on Friday. Happy Aloha Friday, as we say on the islands. It is the 12th day of August, 2022, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver, our weekend review. Both gold and silver had remarkable weeks, closing strongly higher on the day, and in the case of gold, has now finished higher for the fourth consecutive week. Gold futures basis, the most active December contract, closed just a couple of cents off of today's high of $1,819.10, with a current fixed price of $1,818.90, a net gain of $11.70 or 0.65%. This occurred in light of dollar strength today. The dollar gained about 0.5% in trading and is currently fixed at 105.545. Also, for the first time in quite a while, we have seen spot gold actually break and close above 1,800. Spot gold is currently fixed at 1,801.97. Today's net gain, $12.59 or 0.7%. Silver was not left behind by any means, gaining 2.39%, with the most active September contract currently fixed at $20.83. Gold clearly showed support at $1,800. We are looking at a 480-minute gold chart. There were 3 days, Thursday, today, as well as Tuesday, in which gold prices quickly dipped below 1,800, trading to a low in the case of today of $1,799.60, and very close to those numbers on 2 other days. And what occurred on each occasion, and we can see that very clearly on this short-term 480-minute chart, is that on each occasion that gold dipped below $1,800, it was quickly bought up, and we had consistent closes on a intraday and daily chart above $1,800 per ounce. Also, the highest trading value this week came in at about $1,824, but on a closing basis, Friday's close was the highest closing price of the week at $1,818.90. Gold opened this week at $1,790, and based on our current fixed price, has gained almost $30 on the week. However, next week will be a very telling sign because, as you know, we have been looking at potential resistance based upon this long-standing support line on a weekly chart, which is simply created from a series of higher lows. We are now right up against that, which means that if we get a solid open on Monday, taking prices above this particular trend line, this would return to being a support trend line that gold is actively trading above. And that would be a powerful technical statement. We have just put up a daily candlestick chart of gold that clearly shows that there has been solid support right at $1,800 per ounce. This candle here is Monday's candle, in which we opened at $1,790, broke above the 50-day moving average, and closed above 1,800, I believe at 1,805. And you can see that there were 3 occasions, Friday, Thursday, and Tuesday, when for a brief period of time, gold dipped below $1,800 and was quickly swallowed up by traders buying the dip. That being said, when we step back and look at recent activity since March, when gold traded to a high of 2,077, we have had a series of lower highs and a series of lower lows. So for us to have confirmation that we are truly in a bullish market and that these lows that came in at 1678 clearly indicated a shift from bearish to bullish, we need to see a couple of things happen. The first has occurred on Monday, and that is a clear break above the 50-day moving average. But that is only the short-term moving average. We need to break above the 100 and eventually the 200. But the brass ring is that we have a higher high than this previous high of 1880. And since that's about $60 away from where gold is trading at, we believe that a strong higher open on Monday will clearly indicate that we are headed in that direction. And although we will not get confirmation until we exceed $1,880, there is a valid trade in between current pricing and major resistance at 1880. Therefore, we believe that how gold opens up at the beginning of the week and trades through the release of the Fed minutes that come out on Wednesday will be a critical factor in determining the interim moves in gold. And as I said, the possibility of seeing it move back to 1880. We would, of course, send out a trade alert via text message and email should that occur. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.